Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to disable tap to wake on iPhone. So, if you're finding the tap to wake feature on your iPhone more of a hassle than a convenience, you are not alone. Whether it's accidental screen activations or just a preference to keep things simple, today I'll show you how to easily disable tap to wake on your iOS device. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the accessibility option. And after that, you have to head over to the physical and motor section and select the touch option. And then you have to scroll down to find the tap to wake option, and then you have to disable its toggle, and that's about it. With tap to wake disabled, your iPhone screen will no longer light up when you tap on it. This feature is especially helpful if you often find your screen waking unintentionally, such as when your iPhone is in your pocket or bag. Disabling it can save battery life and reduce unnecessary screen activity. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.